Hello everyone, I'm Paula Priesse, and this is Paulatics. Well, it looks like it's going to be Hillary versus the Trumpster, so today we have a very special guest. Mrs. Clinton is on the phone with us. Hello, Madam Secretary. This is indeed a great honor. But before we get started, have you heard what Donald Trump is saying to Obama supporters?
No.
He's telling them that orange is the new black. So, Secretary Clinton, some have criticized you for pandering to special interest groups, such as African Americans. Are you tired of being attacked from the far right?
I don't feel no ways tired.
That's great. Mrs. Clinton, there have also been some concerns raised about your health, and I know that all of America is dying to know how you're feeling today.
Excuse me.
Secretary Clinton?
Excuse me, just 1 second here.
Madam Secretary, are you okay?
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Well, friends, it seems like Mrs. Clinton is feeling a bit under the weather today. But it's okay. We're going to talk to her again very soon. So let's end today with these words of wisdom. What wise words from our future president, former First Lady. Well, that's all today, folks. I'm Paula Priesse, and remember, as a proud member of mainstream media, I'll report and I'll decide.